Smartphones have been all the rage in the last few years, which means feature phones, or as most of us like to call them, dumb phones have taken a backseat. I mean, we don't really think of buying a basic phone, do we? But trust me when I say that cheap phones are the best phones. What's up guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com and today I'm going to prove it to you that cheap phones are indeed the best phones. In fact, I'm pretty sure that after watching this video, you'll just go ahead and buy that awesome little feature phone for you. Before we get started with all the awesomeness, why don't you awesome people hit the bell icon to make sure you get notifications for all our awesome new videos. Now that was a lot of awesome, but let's get started with all the awesomeness. Okay, I did it again. Yes, you won't suffer heartbreaks. That's absolutely right. I mean, what happens when your iPhone 10 or your Galaxy Note 8 slips from your hand and lands in the concrete? Your whole world turns upside down. Literally. You don't cry, but you want to. It's painful. But not if you have a feature phone. One of the features of a feature phone is that it don't hurt. Yes, it falls down, gets a few bumps and scratches, and it's all fine. You just don't give a... you don't care. Another reason of heartbreak when it comes to smartphones is that there's always a fancy new smartphone that surpasses the one you own. I mean, OnePlus 5 users, Akshay, would know that feeling. Well, not with a feature phone. It's not like a new feature phone will actually have any new features. When you buy a costly smartphone, you buy a case, a screen protector, a card holder, and whatnot to protect it from the harsh world. Now all of that's a headache. With cheap phones, you can live carefree. I mean, have you ever seen anyone using a case on a cheap phone? Heck, I don't think they even make cases for cheap phones. Cheap phones don't need armor. Cheap phones are the armor. I mean, you can just go home and throw it wherever you want. You won't even care if it doesn't land on the table. Even if it falls on the floor, it's fine. It's a cheap phone. It's indestructible. It's like a Horcrux. Except you don't care if it's stolen. I mean, it's a cheap phone. Let the poor guy have it. There are times when you're angry and you want to smash your smartphone at something, or maybe someone. But hey, you can't do that because you can't afford to. Well, with feature phones, you can. Oh yeah, you're angry? Just smash the thing away. Angry at someone, beat them with the phone. It's all fine with cheap phones. Once you're all cool, just give the phone a kiss and it'll be all fine. Cheap phones understand. Yeah, they're sweet like that. Let's face it, we all get bored of smartphone games. Sure, they can be addictive, but they also give you headaches. It's always better to play games in the real world, isn't it? And this is where feature phones can be oh so handy. There are a lot of games you can play with this phone. First of all, you can play catch, where you can use the phone as a ball. It's a lot of fun. Plus, you can invent a lot of games. For instance, you can juggle the phone like a football. But be careful if it's the Nokia 3310 because that thing can break your feet. Also, if you have two of these things, you can juggle them with your hands. Oh man, this is so fun. Smartphones are smart, but they make you dumb. On the other hand, dumb phones like this one that I have in my hand make you smart. How you ask? Well, when you have a smartphone, you're constantly checking your phone for social media, messaging, games. There's so much that a smartphone does that you don't get to do anything. A feature phone, on the other hand, does absolutely nothing, which means there are no distractions, so you'll be focused on your work. Your boss will be happy, you can go home early, unlike Akshay, and all in all, you can just lead a more productive life. It'll be like you attained nirvana. Yes, feature phones are amazing. They're cheap, they're feature rich, I mean it's right there in the name, and they make you more productive. But, and there is a but, there will come a point in your life when you will realize that you are missing out on so much. I mean, people around you will be playing that awesome new game that just came out, or the latest dating app, while you are there all alone without even any games to play. You'll be thinking, F my life, what the hell am I doing with this stupid feature phone? And so it begins. That's how it starts, the rage, the fever that turns good men cruel. Now that you've realized that you need a smartphone in your life, you probably have also realized that you need to save money for your one true love. Well, since you bought a feature phone, you already did save a lot of money. I mean, a regular flagship would cost you what, around $600? A feature phone, on the other hand, would cost you around $50, which means you already saved $550. Heck, you can just go ahead and buy a OnePlus 5T right now. Or you can save up for the smartphone of your dreams. That one flagship with the best camera, a gorgeous display, amazing smart features, and a design straight out of the future. But then you're like, screw that, I want another feature phone. You know why? Because cheap phones are the best phones. I mean, no pizzas for a month and bam, you get a feature phone. Well, now that I've convinced you that cheap phones are indeed the best phones, go ahead, smash your Galaxies, your Pixels, your iPhones, and get a feature phone now. But before you do that, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who don't have a feature phone. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos and videos that will bring you nirvana, enlightenment. Anyways, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.